Karri Pakorra is Fizza's favorite meal. Let's see how she makes it.
The ingredients we need are chickpea flour 1/3 cup, 2 tablespoon oil, 1½ cup yogurt, ½ teaspoon caraway seed powder, 2 tablespoon finely chopped onion, ½ teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon green chili paste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, and 1½ teaspoon salt. And we need 6 cup of water. For dumpling, we need 1 cup chickpea flour, 1 tablespoon dried fenugreek leaves, ½ teaspoon caraway seed powder, 1 onion chopped, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 teaspoon red chili powder, and water to make the paste. For seasoning, we need 6 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, ½ teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, and 4 whole red chilies dried. Now we will start making the gravy. First, we will add 2 tablespoons of oil and add ginger garlic paste. Let it cook for 3 minutes. Now add onions and wait for the onions to get translucent. It will take 1 minute. After 1 minute, add Kashmiri red chili and red chili. Now add turmeric powder. Cook it for a while. Then add a little water. Now I will mix my yogurt with chili paste and chickpea flour. In the meantime, set the flame on the low heat. Now mix it well like this. You can add some water. When the yogurt is mixed, we will add it in the curry. Add 6 cups of water. Now, after adding all the things together, I will set the temperature on high and wait for the gravy to boil. In the meantime, we will make the batter for the dumplings. We will add red chili powder, caraway seed powder, dried fenugreek leaves, salt. Add water and mix it. Now I will add onions and mix it well. Add a little bit more water. Now dumplings batter is ready. After it starts boiling, I will add caraway seed powder. I'm saving salt and garam masala for later because garam masala is for garnishing, and for salt, if you add it in the start, the curry takes a long time to get thickened. So I will add it later when the curry will be thickened, then I will add the salt. Now I will set my temperature on low and let it cook for next 50 minutes. As you can see, after 50 minutes, my curry gravy is thick. Now I will start frying the dumplings. My oil is hot. I will pour the dumplings like this. As my pakoras are getting ready, now at this point I will add salt to my curry and mix it. When the pakoras are golden brown, I will directly add them to my curry gravy and let it cook for next 5 minutes. In the meantime, we will prepare our seasoning. I will add 4 tablespoons of oil. First I will add the whole chilies. Fry them for 3 minutes. Now I will add cumin seeds and the rest of masalas and add it to my curry. At this point, I will add garam masala on the top and my curry is ready.